Hello, Chris Richter here. I'm going to take you through and show you how you can, as a student, log into your Moodle platform, into your learning platform, and set up your multi-factor authentication using a Authenticator app. So to do this, first of all, you will need to log in. So I'm going to log in as a student. You log into your platform though, so whatever the web address is that you've been given from your university. You choose login. And the first time you'll be able to log in and just use things as normal, but to set up multi-factor, over on the right, go to Preferences. Down here, you'll see Multi-Factor Authentication Preferences as an option. So click on that. And you should have, just here for you, a Authenticator app generator verification code and a setup option. So all you need to do is click on Setup. I'm going to use an iPhone, so I'm just going to put iPhone in there so I remember what device it was. Then you grab your iPhone. Grab your iPhone and go to the App Store. And in there, we're going to put in Authenticator app and search for an Authenticator app. There we go. And scroll down a bit and you'll see one called Google Authenticator. And you may need to use a Microsoft one if they've recommended that, but you can just use the Google one. Now, I've already installed it, so I'm just going to go straight into it. There's a button down the bottom right you click on. So select that button and select Scan a QR code. Then all you need to do is move that across the screen till it finds the QR code, and it will straight away put in down the bottom a new code for you. All you need to do is verify that that code is correct. Now, if the code changes red, I suggest you just wait a moment while it refreshes and put in the new code. In this case, 693625. And save changes. And if everything's working, it will say Authenticator app iPhone successfully set up, and it's now active. So that means if we log out and then log back in, it will come up with this message, verify it's you by your mobile app. So we go to our mobile app, Authenticator, and we put in that number down the bottom, 519507. And it will let you straight in, and you now have multi-factor authentication using an Authenticator app, all set up, ready for you to use your learning platform. So that's all you need to do to set it up, and that's for students. Teachers can do the same thing as well. They can log in and set up multi-factor authentication as well, provided that it is set up on the server already for you and you've been told that you need to do that. So that's the steps. I'll leave you to it.